I'm Fox 13 News Utah County reporter Jeremy Toms at Utah Valley University in Orem. After Provo Fire Captain Spencer Long, his wife Katrina, and their 3 sons were tragically lost in a flash flooding event earlier this month, the UCCU Center here played host to hundreds of their loved ones and friends who came to pay respects and say their goodbyes.
Best memories I've got of Spencer is, doesn't matter where we're at, it could be hot, we could be dirty, and he'll always find something positive or always have some little giggle about something to break the ice.
Katrina.
She was just a pillar of light, and I just love her.
Knowing that they had to get a venue that was this big to fit everybody that was going to come to this funeral was amazing.
Thane, he was always there to make everyone else feel better. He always cared and he listened, and just, and their family was like that from top to bottom.
The kind words came in bunches, as did the people.
From their workplaces, their jobs, the friends, the hockey team for the boys. It takes a community to raise a family, and you see that with these today.
And as the 5 caskets laid in front of them during the service, each of those communities felt the wave of emotions.
Somber at times, but you remember, you start thinking of the fun times and the memories you have with each person.
Some came from as far away as Vernal.
I work with Spencer's mother. I've been friends with her I've known Spencer since he was a little boy.
To see their pillars of light shining bright in the Utah sun. One last time.
And Miss Lydia, she's such a sweetheart. I feel bad for her, but she's a strong young woman, and she'll be okay.
There was a lot of tears in the service, and it's sad to really see them leave, but we know they're going to a better place, and we have to say goodbye.
To sum everything up with Spencer and the Longs, I'll call it a family. It was a family to the community, but also to the fire department. They're one of us.
In Orem, Jeremy Tom. Fox 13 News, Utah.